Hey guys, I'm with Faith. Faith is a 12-week-old little Chihuahua mix, and she is going to help me teach you guys how to charge your marker. So before we start training our dogs, we need something referred to as a marker. This is going to be a snapshot, if you will, of the behavior that your dog is doing that you like. This helps our dog understand what we're trying to teach them and also let them know that they've achieved the right behavior. A marker can be anything that is a sharp, consistent sound that you can make. We use clickers often because it makes a very, very distinct sound. If you don't have a clicker or you don't want to use a clicker, you can also use the word yes or use the word good. But anything that you can do, any sound that you can make that you can keep consistent is what you want to use as your marker. Okay, so right now, any of these sounds that we're making are just noise to your dog. We need to teach them what it means, and that is where we charge the marker. So basically, all it's gonna look like is me making the sound and following it through with some sort of reinforcer. Whatever your dog likes, in this case, we're using food. So basically, what I'm gonna do is make the sound of my marker and follow through with food. And in the beginning, our dogs don't necessarily understand the correlation between the two, and this is what we're trying to build. So in the future, when they hear this noise, they know that they've done the right thing and reinforcement is coming. So all I'm doing right now is making the sound of my marker and feeding. I don't care what the dog is doing. What you're gonna start to notice is that your puppy is going to hear the sound and now anticipate reinforcement. And when you start to notice that, you're ready to start training. So you see right there, Faith's head kind of moved around. She heard the noise and she's like, where's the food? Right there. So that's how quick it can happen. Whatever you're using as far as your marker sound, keep it consistent. And again, we are just making the sound, feeding the dog. Making the sound, feeding the dog. They're going to correlate those two together, and now you have a tool you can use in your training.